What a lovely night to watch TV. Let's watch our favorite TV program.
What are you doing?
We're watching Nickelodeon right now.
I want to watch my stuff. Give me that shit.
We are two, and you are only one person.
Do I look like I care?
Come on man, that's not fair.
You look like shit.
What?
Whoa! No! Ah!
What the heck? Do you have any idea?
Yeah.
I'm not stupid.
The hell do you know that?
Shit.
Good thing I'm indestructible. No! Yeah, ready.
You got something for me?
Get those guys.
I'll be sorting through your scraps.
No!
I'll take a piece of you.
Is this my blood? How's my face? Huh? Look!
It's a pretty stupid thing to do. Nothing slows me down. Fuck.
Whoa!
What the heck?
Over there! Get the hell back! Let's go, Breaksta!
Cheeseburger.
Look at this!
Pills here!
I'm so glad we have our remote controller and TV back.